John Adams. Now, John, we've experienced flooding here in East Texas as well.
Yes, we have. We've had plenty of rainfall, and certainly starting off this year, unlike the last few when we have been dry. We were dry today after the heavy rains that we got during the week, and you can see that we've had mostly sunny skies in East Texas, as well as most of the rest of the state, enjoying a nice day. And we got some good weather coming up tomorrow with a few more clouds expected. As we go through the night, we'll remain mostly clear, but here come the clouds overnight, and the morning hours of Sunday should be mostly cloudy, but we'll see some breaks in the afternoon, becoming mostly sunny, and should be a nice day. As we go into Monday at noontime, we will be cloudy across the area, but still not bad weather. Our temperatures in the 70s for most of the area. However, in the afternoon, we'll begin to see a possibility of some showers approaching from the west, and that will be moving into East Texas as we go past the midnight hour. And Tuesday morning, we will have a chance for some showers and possibly some thunderstorms in the area. Same thing as we go through the day, a lot of shower activity expected, and there's also a possibility that one or two of those storms could be rather strong to severe. Now, this again is about 3 or 4 days out, so we'll be watching as this is modified, getting closer to that time. But right now it looks like on Tuesday and perhaps over into the early morning hours of Wednesday, we could have some strong storms, possibly some severe weather in the area. But as I said, things can change a lot between now and then. Temperatures are right now in the 80s across East Texas. A nice warm spring afternoon across the area. Low temperatures in the morning, going to be down into the mid 50s to low 60s across the area. A lot of those mid 50s down in deep East Texas. Sunday afternoon, our high temperatures expected to be in the mid 80s in the south to near 80 degrees as you move northward across the interstates. Meanwhile, the next 7 days should trend warm for the first 5 of those, and then by Friday we'll start to see those temperatures coming down, perhaps with highs in the 60s expected on Saturday. There'll also be another chance of rain the second half of the week. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday all will have a chance for some showers and possibly some thunderstorms. Expect increasing cloudiness overnight with a low temperature around 60 degrees in the morning. South winds 10 to 15. They will be continuing to be a bit gusty, perhaps up to 20 miles per hour or so. Sunday's forecast, a high of 82, mostly sunny. South winds at 15, gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. Remember, the morning hours there on Sunday should be mostly cloudy with the sun breaking through in the afternoon. And here's a look at your next 7 days. Some nighttime thunderstorms Monday. That's mainly after midnight. We'll have showers and thunderstorms a little more likely on Tuesday. Again, some of those could be strong, possibly severe. Another chance for some showers and thunderstorms later in the week, and we'll be getting cooler behind a cold front that'll be moving through Friday and Saturday across the area. Deep East Texas, nice Sunday coming up for you. Rather windy conditions for much of the week. We'll have our temperatures into the 80s there through Thursday, cooling down a bit with another chance of showers there Friday and Saturday. Showers and thunderstorms again on Tuesday. Some of those could be severe, possibly rather strong in parts of Deep East Texas. Check that forecast anytime you need it at our website, ketk.com.
Thank you, John.